Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but it's also transforming cybercrime. From hyper-realistic phishing emails to automated hacking tools, AI is making attacks faster, smarter, and harder to detect. So the question is, how do you defend yourself against something that learns and adapts? In this video, we're breaking down exactly how AI-powered cyber attacks work, and more importantly, how you can protect yourself, your business, and your data. AI-powered cyber attacks use machine learning algorithms to automate and enhance traditional cyber threats. Instead of manually crafting attacks, hackers now use AI to analyze massive datasets, identify vulnerabilities faster, generate convincing fake content, and continuously adapt to defenses in real time. Smarter, faster, harder to detect. This isn't the future, it's already happening. Let's look at some of the most common AI-powered threats. First, AI-generated phishing attacks. AI can write emails that sound exactly like your boss, your bank, or a trusted vendor. No more spelling errors or obvious red flags. Second, deepfake scams. Attackers use AI-generated voice and video to impersonate executives or family members. Imagine getting a call that sounds exactly like your CEO asking for urgent action. Third, automated vulnerability scanning. AI tools scan networks around the clock, identifying weak points faster than human hackers ever could. And fourth, password cracking with AI. Machine learning models predict password patterns, making brute force attacks far more efficient. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Traditional cybersecurity defenses weren't designed for AI speed threats. Firewalls and antivirus tools are often reactive. AI attacks are proactive and adaptive. That means organizations need to shift from static defenses to intelligent, layered security strategies. Now let's get into what really matters: how to defend yourself. First, adopt a zero-trust security model. Never trust, always verify. Every user, device, and request must be authenticated, no exceptions. Next, use AI-powered security tools. Fight AI with AI. Modern security platforms use machine learning to detect anomalies and stop threats in real time. Then, strengthen identity and access management. Use multi-factor authentication everywhere possible. Even if a password is compromised, multi-factor authentication adds a critical layer of protection. Also, train your people. Your employees are your first line of defense. Teach them how to recognize phishing, deepfakes, and social engineering tactics. Don't forget to monitor behavior, not just signatures. AI attacks often bypass signature-based detection. Behavioral analytics can detect unusual activity, even if the threat is new. Finally, keep systems updated. Patch vulnerabilities quickly. AI tools actively search for outdated systems to exploit. Imagine this. An employee receives a video message from their CEO requesting an urgent wire transfer. Everything looks real: voice, face, tone, but it's a deepfake. Without proper verification protocols, that single moment could cost millions. This is why verification process, not just trust, are essential. The cybersecurity battlefield is evolving. AI will continue to power both attacks and defenses. Organizations that succeed will be the ones that embrace intelligent security systems, invest in continuous learning, and stay ahead of emerging threats. AI-powered cyber attacks aren't something to fear, but they are something to prepare for. The key is simple: stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your network, because cybersecurity awareness is everyone's responsibility. And remember, security isn't a tool, it's a mindset.